Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, which chapter we are learning, children? 9.4. What is 9.4?
Add and subtract and like fractions.
Add and subtract unlike fractions. Okay, now I
Yes,
will mute
ma'am.
everyone because its sound is very low. I cannot hear properly, children. So here, yes, Angela, what do you mean by like fraction? Yes, Angelina. Yes, Angelina.
Ma'am, first you off my video.
Okay. What is unlike?
Oh,
Like
unlike means
fractions. Like.
like fractions are the denominators, same fractions are called like
Okay.
fractions.
Fractions with the same denominator is known as
Denominator,
like
like
fractions.
fractions.
So what do you mean by fractions with different denominator? They are
They are called
unlike
unlike
fractions.
fractions.
Okay, so children, last year we have learned how to add and subtract like fractions. So here, how we are adding unlike fractions? Who can tell me? Yes, Anandesh. How we can add or subtract unlike fractions? First, what we have to do?
And we should make the denominator same.
We have to make denominators same. That means first we have to make the fractions like fractions, denominators same. How you can make it same denominator, Manu? How we can make same denominators?
Ma'am, first by see which number multiplies to that number.
Okay, so what is that meaning? We have to find LCM. Okay, what we have to do? We have to find LCM,
LCM.
least common multiple. Then when you find the LCM, the denominators will be same. So we can easily add or subtract. Okay, now Alok, tell me how many questions over? Look your workbook page number
Ma'am, 13 questions.
13.
12.
12 over. So we will do question number 13 now. Yes? Okay. So question number 13. Yes, Anina, read question number 13. Anina. Unmute. Anina, please check. Okay. Yes, Anina. Now you can speak.
Yes, ma'am.
Workbook, say louder. Workbook, page number 28. Page number 28. So who got the page can say, read it first. Isha, you got the page?
Ma'am, I got the page.
So Anina. Okay, Anina. Yes. Question number 13. 1, 3.
Subtract 2 by 6 from 2 by 3.
2 by 6 from 2 by 3. So what are the denominators here? 6 and 6 and 3. So they are different. That means they are unlike fractions. So we have to make like fractions. So it is clear. 6 and another one is 3. So by multiply by which number you will get 6? You have to multiply 3 by 2. Okay, children. So we can do together. Very easy questions.
Yes, ma'am.
We have to do. Children, we have to page number 28. Look here, page number 28.
Yes, ma'am. 13th question.
Page number 28. Question 13. What we had to do? Subtract 2 by 6 from 2 by 3. From 2 by 3. So you have to see how to write 2 by 3 should be written first. Yes? Yes, Gautam.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you say louder?
Ma'am, your camera is off.
I'm not able to hear. Please check your device audio.
Ma'am, your camera is off.
Ma'am, he is telling that your camera is off.
Yes, Agne, you unmute. Let me see
Ma'am, can you hear me?
from you.
Yes, ma'am. Your camera is off.
Okay, okay. I cannot hear you. Let me see. Okay. I
Ma'am,
cannot
your
hear what
camera
you're
is
saying.
off.
Hear you now. Okay.
Ma'am, your camera is off.
Ma'am, you was telling that
Okay,
time your
So,
camera was off.
Okay, children. So here we have to make equivalent fractions. How we can make here? By finding LCM. Okay, least common multiple. So children, look here, subtract 2 by 6 from 2 by 3.
2 by 3.
So which number should be written first? 2 by 3. Okay, don't write 2 by 6 minus, because it is written clear. How we will write? Subtract 10 from 20. So which number you will write first? 20. 20 minus 10. Understood, children? Like that only we have to do here. This is fraction. So you have to take 2 by 3 minus 2 by 6. So first of all, what you have to do? 2 by 3 minus 2 by 6.
By 6.
So children, write in the next step. Find the LCM. LCM, you know, children, here. 2 by 3, you know, easily. Multiplied by 2.
Yes, ma'am. Multiply 2.
Multiply by 2.
4 by 6.
So you'll get 4 by 6.
2
So
by 6
again,
is 2 by
you
6.
can write here 4 by 6 minus
2 by 6.
2 by 6. So the answer is
2
what?
by 6. 2 by 6.
We will only subtract the numerator. 4
What
minus
is
2.
2 by 6?
by
By
6
6.
is the answer.
Ma'am, we can just write 2 by 6.
So we can write 2 by 6. That's much is enough.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, next one. Children, you can do same like this. All of you do alone.
Ma'am,
3 by 10 plus 2 by 5.
Ma'am,
Do
same
alone.
steps, ma'am. Same steps.
Ma'am, I finished.
Ma'am, same steps.
Gautam, read.
Add 3 by 10 and 2 by 5.
3 by 10 and 2 by 5.
By
So
5.
children, can you do alone? All of you do alone. You know easily 10 and 5. 5 when you multiply it by 2, you will get 10. So you can make
One-
the denominators
1 by 10.
same.
1 by
Okay,
10.
children, do question number
14.
14. Page number 28. The question is add 3 by 10 plus 3 by 10. We have to write this step first, 2 by 5.
7 by 10.
Now the LCM is 10. LCM is equal to 10. How you know clearly? When you multiply it by 2, 5 2s are 10, here also 10. So we can
4 by
easily
10.
find out this without doing the calculations.
4 by
3
10.
is 10. So 3 by 10, no need to make it a 10 again. It's already denominator is 10. So 2 by 5, you can write
2 by 2.
2 into 2, 4. 4 by 10. So this is equivalent to, now you can write again here
4
3
by
by
10
10
plus
plus
3 by 10 is equal to 7 by
plus
10.
4 by 10.
Ma'am, I
Then
wrote
find out the
4
answer and tell me.
Ma'am, I wrote 4 by 10 first. Any problem with that, ma'am?
No problem.
7 by 10. 7 by 10.
7 by
10. 10. 7 by 10. So children, this is very easy. Only thing you have to make the denominators same. Then add the numerator. So how to make the denominator same? You can find out the LCM. Here and all 5 is a multiple of, okay, 5 2. 5 2s are 10. So that means easily you can find out the LCM. Okay, next question. Question number, Devak, read question number 15A.
Add 5 by 16 and 9 by 12.
Okay, so here children 16 and 12 you have to find the LCM. We cannot make 12 windows, so that means you have to find the LCM. Okay, question number 15A. Children, find out the LCM and tell me. The question is 5 by 16 plus 9 by 12. So when you multiply by any number, you will not get 16. 12 multiplied by any number, you will not get 16. So children, you have to do. Find out alone. All of you. Alone.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, LCM
Ma'am,
is
same
48.
step.
Okay, Agnay, please wait. So
Ma'am,
let them
same
do.
step.
Huh? You
Ma'am,
have to
we
find.
should use same step.
Same step.
Okay, ma'am.
What's that?
Ma'am, we should.
Ma'am, LCM.
What?
Ma'am, LCM
Ma'am,
is
I
4.
told.
Ma'am,
Yes,
LCM is
Angelina,
4.
speak. All others,
Yes,
please.
ma'am.
Okay. Yes.
Ma'am, I told we should use the steps which we used for 13th and 14th. Same steps
13
we
and
should
14,
use.
it was easy because 5
Yes,
into
ma'am.
2 is 10 and 3 into
ma'am.
2 is 6. Here we cannot find like that. You have to find the LCM. So all the
Okay,
children, I
ma'am.
told you to do LCM alone. Some children already finished, but I want all the children to do alone. Here 12 by any number, we will not get to 16. So question number 13 and 14, it was easy. We know already 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10. But here it's not possible. So what we have to do? What we have to do here, children? All the children, please turn on your camera. (16 and 12). So you can start alone. Agane told me the answer. Okay. Now all the children find out whether it is 48. 8 2s are 16. 6 2s are 12. Again, 2. 4 2s are 8. 3 2s are 6. This much only we can do. So LCM, we are making one more time smaller. 2. Now 3, you have to write the same. 2, 1 here. Here we can write 3. In the next step, you can make 3 also. 3 divided by 3. So, what is LCM? 2 times 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. One minute. Okay, children. Find out the LCM. Check whether it is 48. 2 into 2. 4 2s are 8. 2s are 16 into 3. 16 times 3, that is 48. So LCM is 48. Now, children, you have to make 5 by 16 multiplied by which number you will get the denominator as 48. 16 into, we can see already here, 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 2, 16. 16 times 3. Yes, you can find out. Okay, Amanat, unmute and tell me. 16 times which number is 48? Yes, Amanat? Hmm. 16 times which number? 16
ma'am.
into?
16 into.
I already told 2 into 2, 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. Now what is remaining here? 16 times which number?
3.
3. Okay, 16 into 3 is 48. Here no need to multiply again because we know already the denominator. Now by the same number we will multiply here. What is 5 into 3? 5 3s are? Yes, Anandesh, please unmute and speak. Yes, who is there here now? Yes, Brightlin. 5 3s are?
5 3s are 15.
15. So we got 5 by 16, that is equivalent to 15 by 48. Now we have one more number. What is that? 9 by 12. So here we will do, here also we'll do 9 by 12. So we got here 15 by 48. Now we had to do 9 by 12. 12 times which number is 48? You had to find out and write it here. Yes, Anadesh, tell me. 12 times which number is 48? 12 into 4. Okay, 12 into 4 is 48. The same number, 9 into 4. What is 9 into 4? 36. Now children, it is easy. Here 15 by 48, here 36 by 48. Add 4, 5 by 16 and 9 by 12. Instead of adding that 2, you can add 15 by 48 plus 36 by 48. Find out the answer and tell me the answer. Yes, children. What's the answer? 51. 51. Yes, correct. So in the next, I'm writing 15 by 48. 15 by 48 plus 36 by 48. So the answer is 51. Very good. 51. Children, add and find out whether it is correct or wrong. So the answer is 51 by 48. So children, look here again. Here the question is 5 by 16 and 9 by 12. Here it is not easy. It is not easy means 12 times which number we cannot make 16. So what you have to do, find the LCM of 16 and 12. You will get that as 48. Now you have to check 16 times which number is 48. That is 3. Now multiply both numerator and denominator. You will get here 15. 15 by 48. By the same way, you have to check 9 by 12. By which number you will multiply the denominator to get 48? Into 4. Same number you have to do. So you will get 36 by 48. So in the next step, you can add. Here now children, look here, they are like fraction. Here the denominator became the same. What is the denominator? That is 48. So the answer is 51 by 48. It's clear, no? So do the next question alone, all of you. Question number B. Find out the LCM, make the denominator same and find out the answer. You have to find the difference. Chinmay, yes? Any doubt or you finished already?
Now finished.
Finished. Okay, wait. I will ask you. All the children, first you have to find the denominators are different, 125 and 25. You have to find the different denominators. You have to make it equal, the same. Question number 15B. 48 by 125 minus 7 by 25. So find the LCM of 125 and 25. Yes, Chinmay, can you tell me LCM of 125 and 25? Yes, Chinmay, are you there?
Then 125 is LCM.
125. Okay, children, 125. So 25 into which number is 125?
5.
25 times 5. Okay. Find out the answer. LCM is 125. So here it is already 125. No need to do anything. So next one, you have to make 725. So 7 into 5, 35 by 125. Now do this calculation. 48 by 125 minus 35 by 125. Yes, Fia, tell me the answer here. Fia. You can see directly from the board. 48 minus 35. Ananda, please do. Ananda.
Yes, ma'am.
48 minus 35.
13.
13. Yes. 13 divided by 125 is the answer. Okay. Now, children, those who finish, do question number 16. Alimsian, you're absent many days. I didn't see you. Adinath, can you read question number 16? Adinath.
Yes, ma'am. Add 3 by 15 and 9 by 12.
3 by
15 and 9 by
9
12.
by 12. Okay,
12.
find out the LCM and tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
60A, 3 by 15, 9 by 12. 3 by 15, you have to add with the 9 by 12. Children, find out the LCM of 15 and 12. What is the LCM of 15 and 12? And tell me. Yes, Agnay, finish. What's LCM?
60.
60, 60. So 15 times which number?
4.
4. Very good. So children, you have to multiply which number? What's that? 12 by, what is that question? 2 by,
Add 3 by 15 and 9 by 12.
okay. 3 by 15, you have to multiply by 4. And 12 by 9 by 12, you have to multiply by
5.
5. So find out the answer. The LCM is 60. So what you have to do? 3 by 15. You have to multiply by which number to make it 60? 4.
4.
3 into 4?
12.
12 by 60. The next one, 9 by 12. You have to multiply both numerator, denominator by 5. 9 into 5?
45.
12 into 5, 60. So find out, add these 12 by 60 and 45 by 60 and tell me the answer.
57 by 60.
Okay. 57 by 60. Okay, children, do it alone. So here we can write here the last step, 12 by 60 plus 12 by 60 plus 45 by 60. $57 by 60. Okay. Okay, next question. Who has not? Felix. Where is Felix now? Here. Yes, Alok, read the next question.
Ma'am, subtract 2 by 6 from 3 by 7.
Okay, subtract
2 by 6
from 3 by
3 by
7. Okay, so 6 and 7 children, are there any common factors between them? Is there any common factors? 6 and 7?
42.
No, ma'am.
No. So children, directly you can multiply 6 into 7. So
42.
what is that?
42.
42. So children, if there are no common factors, you can directly multiply. If by any number you can multiply and make the other denominator, that also you can do. If it is not possible, we can find LCM. So clearly here 6 into 7 is the LCM. What is that? 42. So children, can you do?
Ma'am, but when we look in the factors by writing all the factors, we don't get. But when we write it by multiples, when we write the multiples, we get common multiples as 42, right?
Yes, we will get common multiples. Okay. Sometimes we have to write more to get the common multiple. That's the difference only thing. So children, this is a homework. We can wind up the class now. In the next class
Okay,
at
ma'am.
4:25, children,
Ma'am, with same steps we can complete this question.
is 42 is the LCM. So 2 by 6, you have to multiply both numerator denominator by 7. 3 by 7, you have to multiply by 6. Okay, children. So you can do that as homework. Okay. We will see in the next class.
Okay, ma'am.
4:25.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.